Good morning Year 3 and welcome to this video which is for Tuesday the 2nd of March. Here is your Fluent in 5, so if you have not done it already please pause the screen and have a go. So let's have a look at the answers for today's Fluent in 5. So this one you're doing a subtraction problem, and when you subtract you are always taking away from one whole original number. So you had an original number and you removed something from it and it left you with 409. So if we put that into a bar, we have 871 originally, we removed something from it and we were left with 409. Now you know that if you removed this amount from your number, you would be left with this one, and if you removed this amount from your number, you would be left with this one. So how do we work it out? We do 871 take away 409. You just take these two, take this one away from this one, and it should leave you with that one. Can't do 1 take away 9, so you need to regroup. So your 7 tens becomes 6 10, and your 1 10 comes over here to make 11 ones. 11 ones take away 9 is 2, then 6 tens take away no tens is 6 tens, and 8 hundreds take away 400 is 400. So the missing number was 462. Then B, we've got 4 ninths and we're adding it to 3 ninths. So the way I did this was I drew a bar which had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 whole parts, because my fraction tells me that I have 9 equal parts. Then I did my 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, adding to 3 more parts, and that gave me in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because the whole is made up of 9 parts, so I have 7 out of my 9. So well done if you got 7 ninths. Over here, this one you could have had a go with mentally, because you're just counting on in hundreds and you're doing that for 200. So you have 668, 768, 868, 68, sorry, not 62. So if you add 2 hundreds, you end up with 868. Now this one's a little bit more complicated. There's different ways you could have done this. You could have done 5 groups of 77, but that is a lot. I've used my number facts. Now I know that 7 times 5 is 35. Now 70 is just 10 times 7, so I can do my 7 times 5 is 35 calculation, and it can help me know that 70 times 5 is 350, because this number is 10 times bigger than that number, so this number is 10 times bigger than that number. And then I can just add them together, because I know that I can break 77 down into 70 and 7. So I can do 7 times 5 to give me 35, and 70 times 5 to give me 350, because it's 10 times bigger. And then I can just add those two together. 350 and 35 is 385. So well done if you got that right. So today's learning we are going to look at continuing with addition and subtraction of fractions. Now this is an assignment task. It will be uploaded to Teams. So I'm not going to give you the answers. I'm going to talk you through how to do it. But you'll complete it on Teams and it will be automatically saved there for you, so your teacher can have a look at it, or a teacher can have a look at it and mark it. So it doesn't look exactly like this because I've had to convert it, but it is a PowerPoint. It's not a PowerPoint because I've had to convert it. It's a Word document that should be editable. I have put these into a table, and then on the other side of it is a space in the table that you should be able to type directly into. So there will be a whole row of questions, and then a whole row of space for you to put the answer to the questions in, that again you should just be able to type straight into. But please let us know if you have any problems. So you have a page of adding, or a table of adding fractions, and then you have a table of subtracting fractions. Think again about your denominators and what happens. Think how many parts are in your whole, how many parts are in your whole, so how many parts would be in your answer. Have a think and maybe rewatch the videos from the last few days if you're really, really struggling. But I can't tell you much more than that because I don't want to give away the answers. So that is available for you on Teams as an assignment. If you finish it and you want more, then there is a problem here that you can have a go at. You don't have to do this is just extra. So you've got some reasoning and problem solving activities. So Rosie and Whitney are solving 4/7 add 2/7. Rosie says the answer is 6/7. Whitney says the answer is 6/14. Who do you agree with, and explain why? This is not looking for a yes or no answer. This is looking for a good, detailed amount of explanation. So if you want to do these addition activities, you need to do some maths, writing. You need to give us pictures and diagrams and label it and write about it and show off as much as you can with how much you know about fractions and have a go at answering that in detail. Then Mo and Teddy share these chocolates. They both eat an odd number of chocolates. That's important, an odd number. Complete the number sentence to show what fraction of chocolates they could have eaten. So again, there's more than one answer to this, so have a go and see how many you can come up with. If you finish all of that, the answers are available on the PowerPoint, but I'm not going to show you them because I don't want to give it away. So have a look, and then, as always, if you've finished and you're looking for more, log on to Times Table Rockstars and practice your times tables. Good luck, and again, please let us know if you have any problems with the assignment. Thank you.